Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use Recraft AI to generate vector art from text. Let's get started. First, open the Recraft AI app on your phone and tap Create to start a new design. Then here in the prompt box, enter what you want to turn the vector art. For this example here, vector illustration for cat with sunglasses. And choose a vector art style. Tap the Style or menu for preset and select styles like flat vector, minimal line art, cartoon vector, or detailed illustration, and set aspect ratio. You can pick aspect ratio like 1 is to 1 for general art, or 16 is to 9 or 9 is to 16 for banners or mobile posts, and tap generate and wait for a few seconds while Recraft turns your text into a graphic style, vector style graphics. And if the result isn't perfect, tap Remix, tweak your prompt, or hit Generate again. And after that, tap Download or Export button. And you can choose the format that you like. And a prompt tips, use a clear and visual language and add color preferences or style tags. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.